What's up guys, it's Yannicka from Sit Stay Explore, and today we're going to teach you how to fetch. Right, Shiloh? Yes, we are. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so when you're first teaching your dog how to fetch, you have to keep in mind the small wins are very important. You have to start small, okay? We're talking about little throws, little chucks. We're not going to be throwing it 20 feet and expecting it to be a miracle on the first day, especially if your dog is kind of not interested in fetch. Depends on your breed. I have a half Aussie, half Border Collie, so he is obsessed. He's already waiting for me to throw his favorite frisbee, but it's not like that for everybody. So I want you to meet your dog where they're at, okay? So tip number one, get a toy or bring a toy that they already love. Doesn't matter what it is. They must love something, I'm hoping. A ball, a toy, a frisbee, doesn't matter. Bring your toy and go outside to a fun place, or it could be in your living room, whatever, doesn't matter. And get yourself some yummy treats. Today we have some liver bites for my dog. He loves those. And you know, he can have a handful without getting sick, so that's what matters. You need this, you need a cookie, and you need your positivity. Okay, so lesson number one, you're equipped, you're in the space you should be. We're gonna start with little throws, okay? Phase one, get them to chase it. So when you chuck your toy, whatever it is, okay, you want to be enthusiastic about it. You want to be kind of like encouraging them to go get it. You don't want to just throw it and say nothing and do nothing, right? This is supposed to be fun. This is supposed to be a game. So whenever you do throw it, act excited, act happy, okay? So let's give that a go. Hey, Bubby, you ready to fetch? You want to play? You want to get your frisbee? Okay, do a little throw. Little throw over there, okay? Tiny throw. Good boy, go get it. Good boy, good boy. So notice right there, I didn't ask him to bring it back, okay? I'm just getting him excited about running after it. You want to start on that. Make sure you do everything in phases, okay? Very important. So let's do that a couple more times. Get him excited about going to get it. Go get it. Good boy, buddy, good boy. Good job. Dogs really love positive reinforcement, so make sure that you give your dog the verbal recognition that he or she deserves, and even give them a treat for chasing it, right? Maybe your problem is that they're chasing after it, but they're not bringing it back. So we'll get to that in the very next phase, but this is phase number one. We're just covering how to get them excited to go after the thing. They have to love the toy, okay? And you have to start small. Go get it. Oh, good job. Even if you're throwing it not far from them, right? What we're trying to do here is not ask too much. We're not gonna ask too much. Dogs learn at different paces. So if you notice that your dog needs to do this phase one of practice of just going after the toy longer, I encourage you to do that for several days, several weeks. Training is all about routine and repetition. So I want you to just do that, and keep in mind that all tricks are learned in phases, okay? So that's phase number one, focusing on encouraging your dog to run after the thing. So make sure you have a good toy or toy they like. If they don't really like it, maybe try something else. Some good treats and positive attitude. Okay. So let's move on to phase number two, okay? You've trained them how to go after it. Now, phase two is how to train them to bring it back to you, okay? And same principle goes. You want to have small wins, okay? Small wins. This one's a bit trickier, okay? But what you want to do is when you throw the toy and you encourage them to go get it, okay? I want you to stand your ground, okay? Don't go near them. I encourage you to take the seating position and call them over right after they have gone to get the toy. You may find it useful to train your dog on recall before you do this, because you are recalling them, right? So keep that in mind. If you haven't spent the time on training your dog to recall, you may want to backtrack and work on recall first. I will release a video on how to recall in the next, couple of months or weeks. Keep in mind, basically what you're doing is recalling them while they're holding the toy, Okay guys, so let's try phase 2 here with Mr. Shiloh and see how he'll do on his recall. You know, nobody's perfect, so don't expect miracles, but he's pretty darn good. Fetching is one of his favorite things to do, so let's go. Go get it! Go get it, buddy! Good job! Bring it back! Come here! Come! Shiloh, come! 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 Very good! Very good! And make sure, guys, that you treat your dog immediately, okay? I could have done that a little bit sooner. Good job, buddy. Good job. Little praise. Yes, you did good. You did good. Shiloh, come. Come here. Shiloh, come. Come, come, come. Good boy. Good boy. So let's do that a few more times. He's going to take his frisbee there. Okay, buddy? You ready? You ready to fetch and recall? Okay. Go get it. Go get it. Shiloh, come. Come here. Come, come, come. Good boy. Good boy. Want a cookie? Shiloh, come. Should have treated him sooner. Sorry guys, I'm trying to handle the camera and the cookies. You know, that's hard. But remember, treating as soon as they do the good thing, that is very, very important so that they, in their minds, make the connection that exactly what they just did is what they're being rewarded for, okay? All right guys, so notice how I called his name. As soon as he grabbed the thing, I said, Shiloh, come, and give him lots of encouragement to come back to me. That is a recall he's used to. Right? Remember, we talked about recall. Recall is really important. That's a fundamental lesson that your dog needs to learn amongst a few other that are very fundamental. But recall can help you in all types of situations. And today it's fetch. So spend some time on recall, guys, and then fetch can become a little bit easier. Okay, so by now you get the idea. We've talked about phase 1, which is how to encourage them to get it. We've covered phase 2, which is how to encourage them to come to you. Okay, and now here comes phase 3. Phase 3 is often a big challenge for people. It is the drop it command, okay? It's kind of a different command, but you know, all together we're calling it fetch, but really it's a few different commands mixed into one. There's some theory behind it, okay? First and foremost, this is something that you want to teach your dog from a very young age. I don't want to go too deep into the drop it command because this video is about fetch, but really the drop it command has a lot to do with safety. Sometimes your dog gets things in their mouth that they shouldn't, dangerous or you know, whatever it is, or something that they really shouldn't have in their mouth for safety reasons. So it's really important that you teach your dog the drop it command as early as possible. Never wrestle with your dog for the thing that's in their mouth. That is a game. You are triggering their kind of like their pull instinct, their wrestling instinct. You don't want to do that. You're not teaching them that this is a game. This is not a fun activity. I want to recommend wrestling your dog for things until they've learned the drop it command and they clearly understand when you're serious about not having something in their mouth. So dropping it, okay? Your dog will drop things when they want to. Now, what you have to do over time is work on figuring out a way, a strategy, a kind of trick to get them to drop the thing. And the most easiest one is using a treat that they really love, okay? But that's a treat that they really cannot resist, whether it's bacon or cheese or whatever. Obviously, we want to treat them with healthy things, but you know, sometimes desperate measures comes with desperate tricks. And so I'm not going to judge you on that. So yeah, okay, so you get your delicious cookie. Okay, and what you're gonna do is trade them. Remember, dogs are very kind of like work oriented. They're gonna do things to get paid. Shiloh right now is waiting to get paid. You wanna get paid, don't you? Yes, you do. Okay, fine. So when they have the thing in their mouth, I want you to put the treat up to their nose and say, drop it or leave it, whatever the word is that you wanna use. And as soon as they drop the toy, give them the praise and give them the treat right away. And over time, what this teaches them is that command means when dropping the thing. Okay, really important. I highly recommend that you reward your dog whenever they do this thing because it's really important. And trust me, it will come in handy. I've had certain walks where Shiloh picked up I remember this one day he picked up a chicken breast, or it was like a chicken. It was literally like a cooked chicken that was on the side of the road that he was about to swallow, and I like quickly grabbed him and I was like, drop it. And he just went, okay, really, really important. Or the day that they grab something that's poisonous, or that's like dangerous or sharp, or maybe it's an animal in your home, like maybe a hamster or something like that. Really, really important to teach your dog how to drop it. I want you to put that on your list. Anyways, this video is not about drop it, okay? But phase 3 of fetch is dropping it, which can be a challenge. I've seen people struggle with this. The dog will go and get the thing, they'll bring it back, but they don't drop it. They just want you to chase. Okay, so I am going to get my treat while Mr. Moo here, Shiloh, is taking a little breather. Hey, Bubby, you like the summer, don't you? Yes, you do. Okay, we're gonna practice drop it. Let's get your Frisbee. Okay, we're gonna give it a little chuck. We're gonna encourage you to come back, and we're gonna encourage you to drop it. Go get it. Good job. Bring it here. Shiloh, come. Come. Drop it. Oh, okay, he's already good at it. I'm sorry, Bubba. That's so good. You did good. Yes, you did good. You already know how to do it. Okay? Okay, so Shiloh here is very used to me asking him to drop it, so he's been preemptively doing it. But what I want you to do, let's just do a couple more throws, see if we can demonstrate this. Good job. Okay, you ready? Go get it. Bring it here. Shiloh, bring it. Come. Okay, so sometimes right now Shiloh is distracted by something. He's not bringing it all the way, but we're not going to succumb to this. Come, bring it here. Good boy. Very good. So in that scenario, he didn't feel like bringing it back all the way. Just a little bit of laziness and being distracted. In those situations where your dog doesn't finish the command right away, I want you to, like I said, stand your ground. Stand your ground just means that don't give up on what you're asking. Take this, sit down on the ground. I find that's always easier because if you're standing, then they're thinking, oh, she's mobile, she'll probably walk over here. But if you're sitting, you're more bound to look like you're not moving around. So that is going to help the situation a little bit. Let's try to do a few more drop its. It's a bit hard because Shiloh here already knows how to do it, okay? But the theory is, remember, let's imagine he has this in his mouth, okay? He's got this in his mouth. He's got the Frisbee in his mouth. Okay, bring it here, bring it. Good boy. You say drop it. Okay, come, bring it here. Get your Frisbee. You little lazy dog. You're a lazy dog. Okay, this thing's a bit easier to train a dog or to show you with a dog that isn't used to it. Dropping the thing, but you get the idea, okay? The Frisbee's in his mouth. I want you to imagine the Frisbee's in his mouth. You put the treat, okay? You put the treat right up to the nose while they have the thing in their mouth and say, you want a treat? You want a cookie? Drop it. And as soon as he drops it, good boy. And over time, they'll learn that, okay, dropping it means just drop whatever I have in my mouth. And it's always good to drop it because I get a cookie. Positive reinforcement. Dogs really need positive reinforcement, okay? So just remember that you're trying to make them want and like and enjoy doing the thing that you want them to do. So if you pay them, they will work for you. All right, guys, so that wraps up our video on how to teach your dog how to fetch. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment down below about your progress and any of the struggles that you might be having to teach your dog how to fetch. I'd be happy to send you some tips. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to support my channel, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.